Well, it's working. So this is Little Learning Machines. An interesting game. You should use AI, use this PyTorch, Python, some machine learning libraries. Definitely different than normal games. Oh, she's sleeping. No. Think that's a robot. Left click and hold the robot to pick it up. Oh, there we go. Oh, so cute. I need to put it here. The game looks very nice. And it's pretty interesting because you can probably use this game to teach kids, or you can even use it in school to teach kids artificial intelligence, machine learning, maybe some programming. Oh, he broke a splinter. Because most kids nowadays just play mobile games and just watch weird YouTubers that tell them to buy crypto and shit. So yeah, this game is probably interesting. Oh, he broke a splinter. Oh, nah. What's he got? Or that's. Ah, no. But it would be worse if that splinter would drop in the ocean. Hmm. Oh, the little robot has a brain now. Oh, the robot is safe now. Oh, he's so cute. Hold the left mouse button to rotate the camera. Hold the right mouse button to pan. Okay, scroll to zoom. Oh, so cute. Oh, they're in the cloud now. They're in the cloud. Click on the little machine to select it. Tell it that it loves collecting crystals. Eh? Yeah, collect crystals. You love them. No, no. Not that way. You fall in the water. Oh. I think he's learning. Let's see. Each machine can see a slightly different range of vision. On top of that, each machine has a couple of things that they're grown accustomed to. They can see the closest one no matter how far it is. Yeah, neural network has a unique neural network. It's under construction. Actions can only take one action at a time. Press one button. Great. That's good. There we go. Now he has crystals to collect. He's learning to collect crystals and he's doing not controlling the character. Not. Billy Bob. I think he's stuck. No, come on. You just had one more space. The cloud. And he barely made. He barely collected those crystals. Now he wants to make it more difficult. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's go. How many crystals do I need to put? Said love collecting crystals. Said fear becoming stuck in deep water. So low amount. So low is like 1. Yeah. I wish I would have this in when we are not in the cloud. I wish we would have this. Fast forward thingy. Okay, what's she doing? Ah, he's afraid. If I put the fear too high, then he won't do anything. We'll just stuck. He will get stuck and do nothing. Oh, that's good. Oh no! Oh, that's funny. Let's see his vision. Yeah. Let's hope that he won't die. Finally. Left click on new items to discover them. Okay, found a robot. Semi destructible sign. Cactus. Mr. Dog. Mabel, a ball. Park post. The game looks very, very nice. It's also super charming. So we got an info panel here. And conditions. So what is my quest here? Everything is locked. What about end conditions? Libo, what are what's his goal? Well, goal is to get stuck, I guess. Needs something. This other fellow needs unlock. Let's unlock him. It works like that. We had to unlock him. Yeah, I believe Bob the second is good. Billy Bob the second has a higher view range. Let's pet the dog. Move towards the dog and pet it 3 times. Let's train him. Dog. Okay. Okay, I guess that works. So he needs to find the dog and pet it. They made a game where you use machine learning to complete objectives. One time. Two times. Definitely a unique game, that's for sure. Two times and three times. No, you don't put it three times. I think that's enough. His learning curve seems to flatten. He's becoming better. The power of machine learning. Still becoming better. So I don't need to exit. He's getting it. Ah, there we go. He's super smart now. Wake up. Yeah, he's doing it. We're good. So the moment we only have two quests, pet dogs and collect crystals. Billy Bob is pretty good at collecting crystals now. The beginning he was very bad. As you guys can remember. He's not that great now, but much better. So Little Learning Machines is a very interesting game. It's a puzzle game, but mostly you just I think you just observe the way that machine learning works. It's kind of crazy. The game uses Python and PyTensor. So you can probably do your own projects after playing this game. Your own projects with machine learning. But I think the best way would be to use machine learning in video games. And that's it. I have some experience with machine learning. I tried a project. Um, I use them to predict outcomes, and I trained my machine learning algorithms on millions of previous outcomes, and I told him predict the future, and it had an accuracy of 70%, which is pretty good. Look at that. I mean, even now he's not perfect, but he knows what to do in the end. He knows where to get the crystals from. Look at that. In the future, we'll probably have a lot of games doing this, where you have NPCs that you can train them with the machine learning, or it would be fun to use this feature in MMOs. And when you go to sleep, you just put your character to do something. You come back in the morning or after work, and he finished some tasks without you. That would be interesting. Okay, so guys, this was Little Learning Machines. A pretty cool game. Very interesting. And it looks great. It looks so nice. Very nice puzzle game. A unique puzzle.